Hello everyone and welcome back to Rayan Daily English,
where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Emily, and hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I feel very happy today. And you?
I'm very happy too. We have a special topic for our friends today.
Oh, yes. It's a very interesting topic. It's about a secret.
Yes, a secret to help you learn English.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. And please share this podcast with your friends and family. A like is great too. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. So, Tom, are you ready to share the secret?
I am so ready.
The secret to improving your English every day is small things.
Small things? What do you mean?
I mean, you don't need to study for 5 hours every day.
Oh, that's good news. 5 hours is a long time.
It is. The secret is to do something small, something fun in English every single day.
Ah, I see. So not a big effort one day a week, but a small effort every day.
Exactly. Like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but every day.
I like that. It sounds easy and fun.
It is. So what is a small, easy thing we can do every day? Let me think. Maybe music.
Music? Yes, I love that idea. Tell me more.
You can listen to one song in English every day.
Just one song?
Yes, one song, when you are in the car or on the bus or when you are at home.
That's a great idea. You can listen and read the words, the lyrics, and you can sing. La 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 la.
Your singing is beautiful, Tom.
Okay, so music is one thing. What else? What about watching something?
Watching like a movie. A movie is long.
True, a movie is long, but a small video is not long.
Oh, a video on the internet, like on YouTube.
Yes, exactly. A short video, maybe a cartoon for children.
Approving. Cartoons are great for beginners. The English is simple and slow.
Yes, and they are fun to watch. You can find very short cartoons, maybe 5 minutes long.
5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes. That's a perfect small thing to do.
I agree.
So we have listening to music and watching a short video. What about speaking? Speaking is important.
It is very important, but speaking can be difficult.
Maybe you don't have a friend to speak English with.
That's a good point. So what can you do?
You can speak to yourself.
To yourself? That sounds a little funny.
It is funny, but it works. You can look around your room and say what you see.
Oh, I like that. For example, I am in a room now. I can say, this is a table.
Yes, and this is a chair. The chair is blue.
Perfect. See, you are speaking English. Good job.
Wow, that is easy. I have a cup of water. The cup is white. Yes, this is a great way to practice. No friend needed. Just you and your room. I love it.
You can also talk about your day. In the morning, you can say, today I will eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Very simple. It helps you think in English.
It does. It's a small step, but it's a very important one.
So listening, watching, and speaking to yourself. We also need to read.
Ah, reading. Yes. Some books are very difficult.
Yes, very difficult. But some books are very easy.
Like books for children.
Exactly. A children's book is perfect. The words are simple and there are pictures.
The pictures help a lot. You can see the story.
Yes, you can read 1 page of a children's book every day. Just 1 page.
1 page a day. After a month, you read a book.
Wow! Yes, that's amazing. You feel so good when you finish a book.
It's a great feeling.
What if you don't have a children's book?
Good question. You can read things online. Maybe news for beginners?
Oh, yes. Some websites have news in simple English,
They do. The sentences are short and easy to understand.
so you can read the news for 5 minutes. That's another great idea.
Thank you. Happy. We are finding so many secrets today.
We are. Okay, so we have listening, watching, speaking, and reading. What is missing?
Writing.
Writing. Oh, for some people, writing is very difficult.
It can be, but remember the secret. Small things. Write. So not a big essay, a small piece of writing.
Yes. For example, you can write 1 sentence a day.
One sentence. What can I write?
You can write about your day, like a small diary. Today is Tuesday. I am happy.
That's it?
That's it. It's simple, but you are practicing. You are using the words you know.
I like that. Today I ate a red apple.
Perfect. Or you can write a shopping list in English.
A shopping list. Wow, what a practical idea.
Yes, milk, bread, eggs, apples. You are writing and learning new words for food.
That is so smart, Emily. You can put the list on your refrigerator so you see it every day. It helps you remember.
It does. Another idea for writing, you can write a comment on a video. You can write, "Hello, I like this video."
Or, thank you, Emily and Tom.
Yes, we love reading your comments, and it's good practice for you.
It is, and it's a small, easy thing to do. It takes 1 minute.
This is all so good. All these small things add up. It's like building a house.
Building a house. How?
You don't build a house in one day. You add 1 brick, then another brick, then another brick.
Ah, and every day you add a small English brick.
Yes, a song is a brick. A short video is a brick. 1 sentence you write is a brick.
And soon you have a beautiful English house.
Exactly. That's the secret. Consistency. Doing it every day.
I love that idea. The English brick. It makes it feel possible.
It is possible for everyone.
Let's talk about new words, vocabulary.
Oh, yes. Learning new words is very important.
But sometimes we try to learn 20 new words in one day. It's too much.
It is. I can't remember 20 new words. I forget them the next day.
Me too. So what is the secret for vocabulary?
Is it 1 new word a day?
Yes, you got it. Just one.
Only 1 word? It feels so small.
It is small. That's why it works. It's easy to remember 1 word.
Okay, so I learn 1 word a day. For example, the word sun. How do I learn it?
Good question. Don't just write the word, make it fun.
How?
You can draw a picture of the sun next to the word.
Oh, a picture. I like drawing. So I write sun and I draw a big yellow sun.
Yes. Or you can find a photo of the sun on your phone and save it with the word.
That's a great tip. Our brain remembers pictures.
It does. And you should also say the word sun. Sun. The sun is bright.
So you see it, you draw it, you say it.
Yes. And you can write it on a small piece of paper, a sticky note.
A sticky note. Where do I put it?
Put it somewhere you see every day, like on your mirror or your computer.
So every time I look in the mirror, I see the word sun.
And you remember it. The next day you learn a new word, maybe moon.
And I draw a picture of the moon and put a new sticky note next to the sun.
You are a great student, Emily. That's exactly right.
This is so much fun. After 1 week, I have 7 new words.
And after a month?
About 30 new words.
And after a year?
Wow, more than 300 new words just from 1 word a day.
See, small things become big things over time.
That is amazing. The secret really is to do small things every day.
It is. The most important thing is don't miss a day.
Even if you are very busy?
Yes, even if you only have 1 minute.
What can you do in 1 minute?
You can say one sentence in English. Today was a good day. Done.
Wow, you are right. Everyone has 1 minute.
Everyone, no excuses.
So let's make a simple plan, a 5-minute English plan.
Ooh, I like this. Okay, what is in the plan?
Monday, for 5 minutes, you listen to one English song and read the lyrics.
Great start. Tuesday.
Tuesday, for 5 minutes, you watch a short cartoon for children.
Fun. I like cartoons. What about Wednesday?
Wednesday, you walk around your house for 5 minutes and name everything you see: door, window, bed, lamp.
Perfect speaking practice. Thursday.
Thursday is for reading. You read one page of a simple book or a short news story for beginners.
Excellent. And Friday?
On Friday, we write for 5 minutes. You write 3 simple sentences about your week. This week, I was happy. I ate pizza. I listened to music.
I love it. What about the weekend?
Saturday and Sunday. The weekend. On Saturday, you learn your one new word for the day, you draw a picture and put it on your wall. That takes 5 minutes.
Yes, it does. And on Sunday?
Sunday is a fun day. You can use your phone. Find an app for learning English.
Ooh, there are many good apps.
Yes, and many have fun games. You can play an English game for 5 minutes.
What a great plan. A different small thing every day. It never gets boring.
Exactly. It's always new and interesting.
And it's only 5 minutes a day.
It is, but that 5 minutes, it's so powerful if you do it every day.
It is the most important 5 minutes of your day for your English.
I agree completely. It's about making a habit.
A habit. What is a habit?
A habit is something you do every day without thinking, like brushing your teeth.
Ah, yes. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. I don't think about it. I just do it.
Yes, we want to make English a habit, a small, easy daily habit.
My 5 minutes of English. It sounds so good.
It does, and you don't need to be perfect.
Oh, that is very important. Tell us more.
It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, I make mistakes. You make mistakes. It is normal.
The important thing is to try. Just speak. Just write. Don't be afraid.
That's great advice, Emily. Be brave. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced.
Practice, not perfection. I like that.
Me too. Think of a baby learning to walk. The baby falls down many times.
Oh yes, a baby falls and falls and falls.
But the baby gets up and tries again the next day with our 5-minute habit.
Wow, so the secret isn't one big magic thing.
No, no magic. The secret is many small, simple, fun things and doing them every single day.
Yes, that is the true secret.
I feel so motivated now. I want to go and learn my one word for today.
Me too. What word will you learn?
I will learn the word smile because we are smiling a lot today.
That's a beautiful word. I will learn the word secret because we shared a big one today.
I love that.
This has been so helpful, Tom.
It's been great, Emily. I hope our listeners feel motivated too.
I'm sure they do. Remember, learning English is a journey. It's not a race. Enjoy the small steps along the way.
Have fun with it.
That's the most important part. If it's fun, you will continue to do it.
Yes, exactly. Listen to music you love. Watch videos that make you laugh.
Read stories about things you like, maybe animals or sports.
Yes, make English a part of your life, a happy part.
Well, our time is almost over for today.
That was fast.
It was. Time is fast when you have fun.
It is. So, everyone, now you know the secret.
The secret is you. It is your small actions every day.
That's so nice. Tom, before we go, we want to ask you for a small favor.
Yes.
And please share it with one friend who is also learning English.
And for your small writing practice today, leave us a comment.
Yes, tell us one small thing you will do to practice English today.
We would love to read your ideas. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you everyone. Keep practicing, have fun, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, Tom.
Goodbye.